Today, we're here to discover how we can find the purpose of our lives. Many of us have the same question in mind. Why am I here? What should I really be doing? The first step is simple but powerful. Ask yourself, what excites me? What gets you out of bed in the morning? Not just money or others' expectations, but what truly makes you happy. The next step is to think about how you can serve others. How can I use my talent to benefit others? The answer to this question points to the meaning of your life. Another important step is to embrace challenges and step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when we face difficulties and learn from them. Don't be afraid to take risks or make mistakes. Every experience is a lesson that brings you closer to your purpose. Also, surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. The right environment can make all the difference in helping you stay motivated and focused on your journey. Remember, finding your purpose is a journey. Start with small steps, listen to your inner voice, and know that you can make a difference in this world. If this video gave you even a bit of inspiration, hit the like button and follow us for more motivation.